And here we have Scott, the jack of all trades, master of all trades, getting our rainwater catchment system rigged for now. We'll have it
some tomorrow.
We'll have it more
I've got to set up the
professionally set up.
drain off and everything else.
Yeah, we'll have to put in a filter system and all sorts of stuff. But for now, it's supposed to rain tomorrow, so we'll see how much water we catch. And I mean, eventually we'll have gutters on both sides of the house, but right now we got them on the back, or started on the back.
Started right now.
It's a long way to go.
Huh?
That's a long way to go.
Yeah.
60 feet. Yeah. Most houses are like 20, 30 feet wide. The standoff of kitties. Come on, Birdie. Oh, he's peeing. Okay, back to Scott. We don't need to see cats peeing. Okay, he's done. So anyway, yes, this is what we're doing. We're making a rainwater catchment system. So we can have water until we get a well dug. Yeah, this would be water for washing hands, running sinks, doing laundry and stuff, showers. It will not be drinking water. We will still get our filtered water. And Scott just informed you that we will be getting a Berkey water system too. So eventually we will. I think next week we're getting a pool, and we're gonna have to have obviously water delivered for the pool. So we'll get the tank filled up too. And we need to get another tank. This is a 330 gallon tank.
I almost stepped on you.
So it is rudimentary right now, but it's supposed to rain tomorrow, so he just wants to...
Loki, do you gotta climb on all ladders? Yes.
Where is... Oh, he's on the ladder?
Yeah, that ladder over there.
Loki!
If he had a ladder to the roof, he would go on the roof.
Yeah. Loki!
Oh, he's more interested in Brutus. Pick on him.
Anyway, 330 gallons. Get another one.
Yep.
Have a nice little system set up here. There's some more gutters. As you can see, we've got some of the siding on the porch. And Karen gave us a whole bunch of insulation that we'll use to insulate the porch. Here's the front. The windows still have to be put in right. He's got to build the framing for it. He just put them in rudimentary quick, so we could have windows in to get some breeze in the house. They're not in properly yet. They will be. And then he can do the finish work. And then over here, it's not done yet, but he's going to build, you know, how some of the newfangled chicken coops have the nesting boxes outside of the coop. You could just open the lid up and grab the eggs. Well, he's going to make nesting boxes of a sort for the kitty cats, for their litter boxes. And they will be out here in boxes that we could open up and clean them out. And they're out of the house. No more stinkiness. And the cats will have like a hole to go into it, and then they have their cat door over there. So that's the plan for this side. So once he gets those boxes built, then we can finish the siding over here. Hello, Bertus. And there's Lily. And you saw Loki in the back on the ladder. This is my little sitting area underneath the tree. And I've got all sorts of wind chimes and pretties in the tree. I'm sorry, I haven't recorded in a while. I'm sure I'm making you horribly dizzy. Yeah, the yard's grown up quite a bit. It's like we'll get it cut down, and then we'll get a week of rain, and then we'll have to wait like a week for it to dry up enough to mow. And then by the time it's dry enough, that's what it looks like. So that's where the pool's gonna go. So we're gonna have to cut some of that down again. Well, a lot of it down. But anyway, just a little quick check-in from Avalon Acres Farm. Stuff's still going on, slowly but surely. We'll do a check-in with both Scott and I soon, and just catch up on what's been going on in our life and what's going to be going on soon. So thanks for watching. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.